Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a specific legal term you might have heard, adjudicated delinquent. It sounds complex, but it's really about how the justice system handles young people who break the law. We'll break down what it means, who it applies to, and why it's different from adult criminal cases. So, what exactly does adjudicated delinquent mean? Simply put, it means a judge in a juvenile court has formally found a young person responsible for committing an act that would be considered a crime if an adult did it. It's the juvenile justice system's version of being found guilty in adult court. This finding doesn't label them as a criminal in the same way an adult would be, but it does mean the court believes they committed the offense. The key here is juvenile court. This system is designed for minors, typically individuals under the age of 18, though the exact age can vary by state. When a young person commits an offense, they are usually referred to a juvenile court instead of an adult criminal court. The entire juvenile justice process is distinct. First, a young person might be arrested or referred to juvenile authorities. Then, an intake process happens, where a probation officer reviews the case. They decide if formal charges, called a petition, should be filed. If a petition is filed, the case proceeds to an adjudication hearing. This is like a trial, but without a jury in many juvenile cases. During this hearing, the judge hears evidence and determines if the young person committed the alleged offense. If the judge finds enough evidence, they will issue a finding of adjudicated delinquent. This is the formal legal declaration. Why is this different from adult court? The juvenile justice system has a different philosophy. Its primary goal is rehabilitation and the best interests of the child, rather than just punishment. Adult courts focus more on retribution and public safety. Because of this, the outcomes, or dispositions, in juvenile court are also different. Instead of prison, a young person might be placed on probation, sent to a juvenile detention center, ordered to attend counseling, perform community service, or participate in educational programs. The focus is on helping them learn from their mistakes and get back on a positive path. Records in juvenile court are also often confidential and may be sealed or expunged later, meaning they can be removed from public view, which is usually not the case for adult criminal records. However, being adjudicated delinquent can still have consequences. It can affect future opportunities, like certain jobs, military enlistment, or college applications, depending on the severity of the offense and state laws. It's a serious matter, even with the emphasis on rehabilitation. Thank you for taking the time to understand this important legal concept. We hope this explanation has been clear and helpful. If you found this video informative, please consider supporting our channel. Liking the video, sharing it with others, and subscribing helps us create more content like this. Your support truly makes a difference.